Hola! Today in Dr. Doug's Quick Spanish, we're going to learn how to tell time, decir la hora. So we're going to start with our trusty clock, and I'm not going to draw a perfect circle, but there it is. So we're going to start at, for example, we'll go with 1 o'clock first, because that's easy. So you'll get the question, ¿Qué hora es? What time is it? ¿Qué hora es? At 1 o'clock, you'll say es la una. Then we'll move on and we'll say it's 3 o'clock, right? The day is just flying away. ¿Qué hora es? You'll say son las tres. What's the difference? Why is it es here and son here? Well, think of it this way. Es goes with una because una is one, which is singular. Son goes with tres because three is plural, right? So es, the only time you use es is with 1 o'clock. Son is for all the other hours. Easy, right? Okay, we're going to go back to our clock. So what if it is 3:20? Son las 3:20. Son las 3:20. So it's 3 and 20 and 25 and 5 and whatever. O es la 1:20. It's 1 and 20. So we still use the S even though it's not 1 o'clock on the dot, right? Easy. Perfect. Some other tricks. So we have, for example, we'll go with 6:15 on the dot. You could say son las 6:15. I'm not going to write the numbers out. It's 6 and 15, or you could say son las 6:15. Cuarto means a quarter, right? Perfect. What if it's 6:30? Son las 6:30. 6 and 30, or son, much more common though, son las 6:30. Son las 6:30. Easy, right? Okay, so we got all that. So we're gonna block this off and we're gonna move over here because once we actually get past the 30 mark, you have a number of options for telling time. So let's say that it's a really bad one. 10 to 2, 10 to 2, right? You could say es la una y 50. It's 1 and 50. But it's much more common after you get past the half hour mark to go to the next hour. So son las dos menos minus 10. So after that 30-minute mark, it's much more common to go to the next hour. So the next hour is 2 and subtract minutes from the next hour. Some other tricks, you could also do this with a quarter. Son las dos menos cuarto, 1:45. 2 minus 15. So some other tricks here. 12 a.m. es medianoche. 12 p.m. es mediodía. Why the difference? Why media and medio? Well, dia is masculine, noche is feminine. That's all there is to it. And if you want to tell 6 in the morning, 6 in the evening, we have de la mañana in the morning, mañana, de la tarde in the afternoon, de la noche at night. And that's it. That's telling time in Spanish. Nos vemos.